My name is Morgan O. Smith, and welcome to this 15-minute Yinnergy session. Just make sure that you're relaxed. Just breathing through your nostrils, just breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. And breathe all the way into your stomach. And breathing all the way out. Breathing in and breathing out. Make sure you're relaxing your eyes. Relaxing your cheeks. Relaxing your jaw. Relaxing your tongue. Allow this relaxation to run down to your neck, down to your shoulders. Allowing this relaxation to run down to your arms, your biceps and your triceps, all the way down to your forearms, all the way down to your hands, and all the way down to your fingers. I want you to relax your chest, relaxing your upper back, allowing this relaxation to run down to your spine, all the way down to your lower back, all the way down to your hips, all the way down to your thighs and your hamstrings, all the way down to your knees, relaxing your calves, relaxing your feet, all the way down to your toes. Continue to relax your chest and relaxing your stomach. Continue to breathe through your nostrils, just breathing in and breathing out at your own pace. As you continue to relax, I'll be saying some affirmations that you can take with you. You can repeat them as I say them, or you can just simply listen as they are absorbed into your subconscious mind. You are safe. You are supported. You belong. You are allowed to rest. You breathe in calm. You breathe out tension. Continue to relax your body. Relaxing your shoulders. And relaxing your tongue. You listen to your needs. You move with ease. You welcome stillness. You are grounded in the present moment. Continue to relax. Relaxing your stomach. And relaxing your hips. While breathing in and breathing out. You feel connected to yourself. You feel connected to others. You are learning and growing every day. You give yourself kindness and patience. You release what you no longer need. Continue to relax, breathing in positivity and breathing out negativity. Continue to relax every muscle in your body while breathing in and breathing out. You allow your mind to settle. You feel calm and balanced. You are strengthening your nervous system. You trust the process of healing. Continue to breathe through your nostrils, breathing in at your own pace, and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. You welcome peace into your life. You find joy in simple moments. You make space for play and creativity. Continue to relax your shoulders. Continue to relax your arms. Continue to relax your forearms. You honor your feelings. You are present in your body. You are open to healing. You are rooted in inner strength. You return to your breath whenever you need support. You carry peace with you wherever you go. Continue to relax the body, relaxing your stomach, relaxing your upper and lower back, relaxing your cheeks, relaxing your jaw, relaxing your eyes, and relaxing your tongue. While breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. Here at this moment, I will count from 20 all the way down to 1. And when I get to 1, you may open your eyes. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. You may open your eyes. Hopefully you enjoyed this session, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.